Yes, orange peel. Green orange peel and dry orange peel in hot water help with stomach cramping. It helps with pain inside of your stomach. You see, orange peel, don't throw them away. It is very good to get rid of the worms and the parasite from your stomach. Right? You see the seed inside of the orange? It's very good for pain, knee pain. The seed, you have to eat it. You drink your orange peel tea every day. All you know that orange peel, but you must have the green orange peel with the dry orange peel, and it's good for cysts. It's good for fibroids. It is excellent for prostate problem. It's good for trauma. Watch me there. If your stomach big, some green orange peel will carry down your stomach flat. It's good for gas. It make you pass wind free and also stool. It has plenty fiber inside of orange peel. Right. Yeah, if you have a lump on your breast, you put the orange peel inside of your brassiere. Right? And you leave it there, you get the green orange peel and you put it inside of your brassiere. Right? If you're having an itching down inside of the vagina, you put the orange peel, the green, inside of the vagina, it will get rid of the itching. Orange peel good for heart problem. Show them this is an orange. Right? Inside of an orange has seed. Right? The seed is good for headache. So you eat a lot of orange peel and you get rid of headache. A lot of women have calandia. They also have yeast infection. If you drink plenty orange peel tea, but they have to use the green orange peel with the dry orange peel in hot water, and you drink it every morning, it will help with the cysts. This is a dry orange peel. You see how it comes? It's dry. This is a green orange peel. The dry and the green orange peel together in hot water, it's good for the prostate. If you're having prostate problem, it's excellent for the prostate. It's excellent for the thyroid gland. You take the green orange peel and you put it on the thyroid gland here, it will carry down the swelling. I am Dr. Sears. It's very good for the swelling. It's very good for the cramping. And also good for knee pain. You tie this orange peel on your knee. Right? Look at this skeleton here. You put it on top of your knee and it's very good for inflammation. And it's good for joint pain and knee pain. You tie it on top of your shoulder also. The green orange peel. And you make tea with the dry orange peel. And you drink it every day. Right? Orange peel are full of vitamin C. It's full of beta carotene. It also full of beta sitosterol. It also have magnesium inside of orange. Right? It also has tocopherol inside of it, have lycopene and carotene and carotenoids inside of orange. Orange peel is excellent for people who are having heart disease and heart problems. It helps with circulation. So here what you do it. Drink your orange peel every day. It keeps the doctor away. But here to call my number. My number is 1-86875-84430. Go on Herbal Medication Trinidad LLC.com. You see, those of you have kidney problem and you want to get rid of water, when you drink orange peel, you pee plenty. So it increases the load on the bladder, it decreases the swelling on the bladder. So a lot of time you're having swelling on your bladder, you drink a lot of orange peel. You want to carry on your big stomach, you drink orange peel. You boil the orange peel in hot water, like you can take this hot water and you can clean your eyes. It's very good for cleaning of your eyes. It has B12 inside of this and it also have B6 in it. It have niacin inside of that. How much time did?
4:26.
Well, we have to go. All you take the orange peel, you go, you know, the time up.